we are litigators. We're involved in the dispute resolution business. And because of that, it's very important for us to look at a dispute from all different angles, to understand what it is that's motivating the party that's in a dispute with our client. Yes, we have to understand our client's case. That's very important. But we also have to understand what the other parties may be thinking and what may be motivating them. I've always viewed my role as a lawyer in representing a client to not just tell the client what they want to hear. And it can be very tempting to simply spit back at the client what it is you think they want to hear about their case. But I wouldn't be doing my job if I wasn't advising them as to some of the weaknesses in their case, some of the things they need to think about that maybe they haven't, and really give candid and honest advice, and then let my client make an informed decision about how they want to go about resolving their dispute. It's a delicate, or it can be a delicate balance, because oftentimes you've got to give your client some perspective that may be unfavorable to them or something they don't want to hear. But you also have to be sure to give them the confidence that you are going to fight on their behalf. And when they do adopt a position, hopefully that's fully informed based on the advice you've given them, that you're going to be the most effective advocate you can on their behalf, and you're willing to do whatever it takes and utilize all the resources at your disposal to help them achieve the result that they want in a case. Well, I've been very fortunate to have a few mentors throughout my career that have had a positive impact on me. But the one that stands out, and probably the most significant mentor for me, was a gentleman by the name of Lowry Barfield. You know, among the things that I got from Mr. Barfield's mentorship was he always demanded precision and excellence in the representation. Every task that we did as part of the representation, he encouraged and really demanded that we do the best that we could possibly do. And sometimes there were some painstaking moments where, for example, we would sit in a conference room and go line by line through a brief or a draft of some work product that I had prepared and really try to sharpen it and make it as good as possible. He would demand a lot of time be spent in preparing for hearings and preparing for depositions. And I think it all came from a mindset that we have an important job to do. We are the spokesperson, or people, if you will, for our clients. We are representing them, and nothing short of excellence will suffice. And so he really instilled that in me, and it's something that I try to both implement myself and try to encourage the lawyers that work in my firm also to model that sort of behavior. The other thing that I know was a great gift that Mr. Barfield gave me was he encouraged me whenever I was in a courtroom, in a mediation, in a settlement conference, in a client meeting, to really command the room. What he was saying was that there's a reason we're there. There's someone that's hiring us, again, to be their representative. And we have to make sure that we get our point across, that there's a reason we're there, and we've got to do our utmost to make sure that that client's position comes across and that our presence is felt. And so I'm thankful for those and many other lessons he's given me, and I've tried to live up to those high standards.